Beta oxidation of fatty acids. This process is known as beta oxidation because the oxidation and splitting of two carbon units occur at the beta carbon atom. The oxidation of the hydrocarbon chain occurs by a sequential cleavage of two carbon atoms. Frey Knoop, 1904. Preparative steps for beta oxidation. The coenzyme A is a complex molecule containing B-complex vitamin pantothenic acid and a molecule of beta-mercaptoethanolamine. This SH group forms thioester bond in acyl-CoA, Fig. 1.7. To emphasize the function of the SH group, the CoA is sometimes written as CoA SH. Preparative step 1. Activation of fatty acids. Fatty acids are activated to their coenzyme A, CoA, derivative. This activation is taking place in cytoplasm. ATP is hydrolyzed to AMP and PPI, and the energy from hydrolysis of PPI drives the reaction forward. Thus, two high-energy bonds are utilized in this reaction. The enzyme is a thiokinase or fatty acyl-CoA synthetase. Step 0, Fig. 11.9. Acetyl group and acyl groups are different. See box 11.3. Three different enzymes, one each for short chain, medium chain and long chain fatty acids have been identified. Small chain fatty acids may also be activated by thiophorase enzyme, using succinyl CoA, see under ketone bodies. Preparative step 2, role of carnitine. Fatty acids are activated in the cytoplasm, but the beta oxidation is in mitochondria. So transport of fatty acids through the mitochondrial membrane is essential. The long-chain fatty acyl-CoA cannot pass through the inner mitochondrial membrane. Therefore, a transporter, carnitine, is involved in transfer of fatty acids. Carnitine is beta-hydroxy-gamma-trimethyl-ammonium butyrate, CH3, 3N-CH2CHOH CH2COOH. It is synthesized from lysine and methionine in liver and kidney. Preparative step 3, carnitine acyl transferase. The enzyme carnitine acyl transferase I, CATI, will transfer the fatty acyl group to the hydroxyl group of carnitine to form acyl carnitine, Fig. 11.8. The reaction occurs on the cytosolic side of inner mitochondrial membrane. Preparative step 4, translocase. A protein translocase will carry the acyl carnitine across the membrane to the matrix of mitochondria. On the matrix side of the membrane, another enzyme, carnitine acyl transferase 2, CAT2, will transfer the acyl group back to coenzyme A molecule, Fig. 11.8. Carnitine is returned to the cytosolic side by the translocase. Fig. 11.7. Structure of coenzyme A, CoA, CoA SH. Acetyl-CoA is the combination of acetate or acetic acid, 2 carbon unit, with coenzyme A. Acyl-CoA means acyl group, any fatty acid, 2 in length, combined with coenzyme A. Clinical applications 1. Medium chain and short chain fatty acids do not require carnitine for transport across the inner mitochondrial membrane. So medium chain and short chain fatty acids are easily oxidized. Though carnitine deficiency is reported in preterm infants, in whom impaired fatty acid oxidation is noticed. So more glucose is utilized, resulting in episodes of hypoglycemia. 3. Deficiency of translocase. It leads to defective metabolism of long-chain fatty acids. In this condition, muscle cramps are precipitated by fasting, exercise and high-fat diet. 4. Inherited CPTI deficiency affects only the liver, resulting in reduced fatty acid oxidation and ketogenesis, with hypoglycemia. CPT2 deficiency affects primarily skeletal muscle and, when severe, the liver. The sulfonylurea drugs, glibenclamide and tolbutamide, used in the treatment of type 2 diabetes mellitus, reduce fatty acid oxidation and, therefore, hyperglycemia by inhibiting CPTI.